I would take this to you, Dr. Thakkar, because we've got Holi coming up in a few days. Someone is asking, what are the precautions to be taken during Holi celebrations? I know Mumbai and Delhi have already said no Holi in public places. Now, there is COVID fatigue and there are the celebrations. What would you therefore advise people? Should they not go out and celebrate? I come back to it. If politicians are holding election rallies with large number of people, no one wearing masks, why should people not celebrate Holi?
So I would strongly say don't celebrate Holi. Holi is going to come again year after next and next year. Don't celebrate Holi because Holi is a festival where you meet people, you gather, you are in proximity, there is promiscuity, and that's going to spread the virus. You know, to put it lightly, since we are in a festive mood, the scourge is the surge. And if we are on the verge of the pandemic again showing its face, we have to purge the indiscipline. So all this has to be looked into regarding the other rallies and the gatherings. It's up to the government.
So we've got a Kumbh Mela, coming up. We've got a Holi. Are you saying just stop all celebrations?
Well, I would say for the moment, stick to your celebrations behind closed doors. If you have to celebrate, you can celebrate in smaller numbers. But if these numbers, which are now almost the tip of the iceberg, keep snowballing, we're going to be back to same time, same show last year. And that's really scary because on the ground, in the hospitals, we are facing the slack and we are facing a lot of problems in the hospitals and in the clinics.
Right.
And we don't want to go through that again because it is preventable.
You know, the next question, Dr. Guleria, localized lockdowns, is that the new normal? You know, in Maharashtra, sir, Nagpur has emerged as a cluster where a significant amount of samples of a double mutant variant have been found. There's a lockdown in Nagpur. Do you believe that localized lockdowns this time? Or do you see the possibility of another lockdown as some are fearing?
So I think
nationwide lockdown.
What we need to do is at this point in time, go back to the basics of what I had mentioned: testing, tracking, treating, isolating. A very aggressive surveillance is needed so that you pick up areas where clusters are developing. Those clusters should become containment zones. You could say that we really make aggressive containment in that area so that everyone in that area is tested, they are treated, they're isolated, and they are not allowed to go out so that the cases from that area don't spill over to other areas.
Right.
If you say does that mean that that area has a lockdown? Well, it could mean that, but then we really need to contain the infection in areas where it is, because remember, there's large part of the countries where we don't have the infection. So if we are able to have some containment zones where we don't allow the infection to spread to other areas, we may still be able to really keep the cases down and then aggressively move on the vaccination front. But we need to have a comprehensive strategy in terms of preventing the rise in number of cases, looking at the strategy that we've actually adopted over the last 1 year.
So a localized lockdown seems to be the way forward. Again,